let's check out some of this stuff that some of the assets that we analyzed earlier, and of course we will be checking out their performance and see what we can still do with them. Okay, in case you are not in the system. Okay, so we are starting with Ganex 1,200. It got to this resistance zone and wasn't able to break out from there, so it switched into a downtrend and it has been selling since then. Okay, and okay, before I go further, okay, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into it right away. So like I said, Ganex 1,200, this is 15-minute time frame. It got to this resistance. It had been on uptrend right from here, but got to this resistance and was unable to go further. And it switched into a downtrend, gave us a sell signal, and been selling since then. Okay, it had a pullback at this point and gave us another sell signal, so still selling. Actually, I highlighted two major TPs. These happen to be the entry point. These happen to be the stop loss. Okay, so I highlighted two major TP1 and TP2. TP1 has been achieved. TP2 is yet to be achieved. Okay, so and of course you can see that this is pulling back at the moment. Okay, so this is very important. So make sure your stop loss is intact to protect the rest of your profits if you are in the trade. Okay, let's check out other assets. This is Ganex 999. I'm expecting a strong buy from this if it does not break out from here. It has switched into an uptrend and it has given us a buy signal, and just where we are seeing it, this is trying to buy right from there. Okay, it is trying to buy right from there. However, we might likely have some pullback before it will buy fully. Okay, before it will buy fully. So I'm still expecting it to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, to break out from the trend, the resistance trend line. Okay, so I'm expecting it. So it might want to get to this region and have a pullback before buying fully. Okay, because there must be a breakout from here before we can say it's going to buy fully. So we can keep an eye on this. So we are actually expecting a strong buy from here because it has been selling for a while. And of course, if it breaks out below this particular support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. That can also happen. Okay, we should take note of that. So although what we are expecting is a strong buy, so we are expecting to get to this region first. It might not break out from there. It will pull back, then go back up right from there to break out from this resistance trend line. Okay, so that we can go fully into a strong uptrend. Okay, so this is very important. So this is Paynex 1,200. It's been on a very strong uptrend, just the way I have explained yesterday, and it is still buying, having pullbacks and buying, having pullbacks and buying. It has been doing that for a while. Okay, let's check out Paynex 999. I actually analyzed these assets yesterday also. I drew out this support trend line to mark out some specific section of the support zone, and of course it broke out below it at this point and sold for a while, but right from there it's had a pullback, a major pullback. Like I have always been telling you, if a particular asset is on a particular trend, there will always be pullback. So this is also having pullback at this point. Okay, so it got to that resistance, support trend line, which is now serving as resistance this time around. After this breakout, it got there and it was unable to break out above it, so it's pushing back. So if it breaks out above it, definitely it's going to buy more, but if it does not, then we're going to experience more selling opportunity. So if the structure, if this particular structure is broken at this spot, then definitely it's going to sell more like that. Okay, so it's going to be more selling opportunity than buying opportunity at that point. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I'm waiting for this pullback to be over and switch back into a sell signal. And this will give us an opportunity to see if it's going to sell more than this. Okay, so if you missed the entry point, then definitely wait for the sell signal at this point. Then you can now jump into the trade and target this region first as your first TP. And if it breaks out from there, then you target more TPs for yourself because we still have the whole of this place to milk. So I'm expecting it to get to this particular spot easily. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you guys can take advantage of that right away, but wait for the next sell signal before you jump into it. Okay, so that is it. So let's see. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, FX volume 80. Yesterday, I told us that it has gotten to this support zone. It's had a major pullback. Try to go back on buy trend, but I told you that it will come down and try to see if it can break out from this support zone. But if it is unable to break out from the support zone, it's going to switch back into an uptrend and buy. Okay, so that is what I feel will happen as of yesterday. And you can see it switched back into an uptrend. It is buying right now, just the way we have seen it. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity. I am expecting it to get to this region, guys. I am expecting it to get to this region, so you guys can keep an eye on it and try to milk it right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. This is the benefit of a trend trading strategy. Once you understand how it works, then you will be able to milk the market for a very long time, and you are most likely to have back-to-back winning strategy or winning opportunity on daily basis. Okay, so that is how it works. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.